In this video we're reviewing Lightstream, the online lending division of Truist Bank, to help you decide if its personal loans are really worth it. Lightstream stands out for offering no fees, fast funding, and competitive interest rates for borrowers with excellent credit. You can borrow between $5,000 and $100,000 for almost any purpose, from home improvements to debt consolidation, with terms up to 12 years. It even offers a rate beat guarantee, promising to beat a competitor's rate by 0.1%. Now the good. Lightstream has no origination or prepayment fees, and if you apply early in the day, you might receive funds the same day. Its autopay discount can also lower your rate. But there are downsides. You'll need strong credit and steady income to qualify, since Lightstream caters to top-tier borrowers. There's also no soft credit check, meaning applying will impact your credit score. Plus, you can't borrow less than $5,000 or use the loan for things like education or investments. So, is it worth it? If you have excellent credit and want a large, low-cost loan with zero fees, Lightstream is a great choice. But if your credit is average or you need a smaller amount, other lenders may offer more flexibility. Lightbulb want more honest reviews to find the right financial app or loan. Subscribe for more smart money insights.